perfect.
Oh, this is mine.
Yeah. And obviously with that pull, obviously that pull is a little left to right club, little left to right club path and a little closed club face.
Well, you know, when
Not
I
even,
was
well,
young,
closed is the incorrect word. The face is square to your path, but your path is pointing left, so you're naturally going to pull.
well, when I was young, I played a Lee Trevino, so like a little block.
Little squeeze cut.
Yeah, and you know, I was strong enough to play it.
I'm hitting some shots. I know you tend to hit a little bit of a fade. You know, you come across the ball a little bit, hit a little bit of a fade there. You said you've been struggling with a pull a lot recently.
Yeah.
So when you get that pull, what happens is you do the same thing you're doing with your fade. You're swinging out to in relative to where you're aiming. So your club face is coming not necessarily across the ball, but a little bit. And then you can, instead of having that face just a little bit open where that ball will fade back onto your target line, you're just closing it down just a little bit, and then that's where that pull comes from. It's not so much the swing, it's more in release and in your hands. You also say you struggle a little bit with your alignment, so we've got an alignment rod down here set up for the first flag out here on the range, which is perfect for the shorter clubs we're going to be hitting today.
Well, one of the things that has been happening is I'm starting to hit some kind of pop-up fades, and you know, that's not, I mean, I rarely used to do that.
More so, what clubs do you hit that way?
Well, more with the woods probably, not so much with the irons. But I know, you know, a couple of my buddies have watched me and they think that my feet are getting closed.
Yeah, maybe also because you tend to pull it, so you're trying to aim a little more right. And also, that's what the classic overcorrection. You're hitting some pulls, You generally hit a fade. You're like, okay, I need to leave the face open on it. So you come down and you just lay that thing wide open, especially with a driver, and you're not the hardest of swingers, let's say. So what would maybe be a push fade for someone else just sort of turns into that
It's
weak.
just like a little lollipop.
Yeah, just maybe right over the first baseman there.
Yeah.
And so that's probably what that is. I know I'll keep that in mind. We'll work on that next week when we're hitting more drivers and woods.
Okay, good.
So I want to see you hit a couple irons here. What do you got there, 9 iron?
This is 8 iron.
8 iron, close enough. So just kind of keep lined up with our stick here.